Audio Jungle.
Incredible phone footage shows the boat approaching the beach, where it briefly stops. The passengers, who appear to be mainly men and boys, jump out and sprint off over the sand. Meanwhile, stunned beachgoers dressed in bikinis and swimming trunks look on from their towels.The incident took place on the beach of Fontanilla, in Conil de la Frontera, in the southern Spanish province of Cadiz in the region of Andalusia. According to local media, Spanish authorities detained the immigrants soon afterwards near the beach and in surrounding areas. Around 13 of those caught are said to be minors. The incident comes just a day after another boat carrying 44 immigrants got stuck near the coast in the same municipality and was unable to reach land. The boat was rescued by Spanish authorities, who escorted the immigrants to a safe place. Earlier this week, almost 50 Moroccans landed in a boat near a luxury hotel on Spain's Costa de la Luz. Civil Guard officers intercepted 25 of the migrants, 19 of whom were minors, however 25 others fled. Local media reports that at least 500 migrants have landed on the Andalusian coast on 18 different boats since Friday, August 24.